Approaching use, landing and departing runway 30. Flow control in the Los Angeles airport. Notice airman obstruction crane, 0.75 nautical mile northeast of the approach end of runway 12 left, 820 feet. Five on initial contact, you have Foxtrot.
Let's get Foxtrot.
Bakersfield Tower information, Foxtrot, 1754 Zulu. Wind variable at 3, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 14, dew point 5, altimeter 3025. ILS approaching use, landing and departing runway 30. Flow control in the Los Angeles airport. Notice airman obstruction crane, 0.75 nautical mile northeast of the approach end of runway 12 left, 820 feet.
200 feet AGO.
All right, welcome back, people, subscribers, friends, fans. Today we're going to do a trip to Sierra Victor Echo, Susanville, just northwest of Reno. And Bakersfield ground, Skylane 759 Bravo November on the ground at Atlantic Information Foxtrot. Let's pick up our IFR clearance to Susanville, Sierra Victor Echo.
Skyline 759 Bravo November, Bakersfield ground, clear to Sierra Victor Echo Airport via the Meadows 3 departure, Shafter, Victor 23, Clovis, then as filed. Climb maintain 6,000, expect 10,000, 5 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.45, squawk 1030.
Okay, for Skylane 759 Bravo November, clear to Sierra Victor Echo via Meadows 3 departure, Shafter, Victor 23, Clovis, then as filed, 6,000, 10,000, 5 minutes, frequency 126.45, squawk 1030 for 759 Bravo November.
Skyline 9 Bravo November, read back correct, advisory taxi.
And Bakersfield ground, Skyline 759 Bravo November, ready to taxi.
Skyline 759 Bravo November, Bakersfield ground, runway 30 right, taxi via Alpha.
30 right via Alpha, 9 Bravo November. So what I'm seeing is about 2 hours and 49 minutes to Susanville. We'll see how that stands out. Should be, we might have to stop in Auburn, but I don't think we will. But we'll go in here and do our little run up. Make sure everything looks good.
Ground TBM 930 Yankee to Camarillo with Foxtrot.
And Bakersfield Tower, Skyline 759 Bravo November, holding short 30 right for IFR release.
Cessna 9 Bravo November, runway 30 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff, wind 2704.
Clear for takeoff, 30 right, 9 Bravo November.
And Sirius 3 Echo Romeo, what's your on-course heading?
On-course is going to be about 330.
And Sirius 3 Echo Romeo, roger. Change advisory approved, have a great day.
Change advisory approved. Have a good day, thanks.
Cessna 79er Bravo November, you contact departure 126.45, have a good day.
Over departure 126.45, thanks, 9 Bravo November. And departure, Skyline 759 Bravo November, 1,400, climbing 6,000.
Skyline 759 Bravo November, Bakersfield departure radar contact, climb maintain 8,000.
Climb maintain 8,000, 9 Bravo November. Off the landing light, taxi lights, off there. And proceed on course.
We're looking for traffic, channel 915.
CHP 43 flighting 180 for traffic.
180, CHP 43.
So right here on our movie map, you can see we've got another airplane that's 3,700 feet below us.
Direct per fuel.
Kind of sees following us. I'm looking back. I can't really see anything. It's too hard to tell.
Navigation, caution, wake turbulence, traffic 1 south of you, eastbound RJ 5500 climb.
ONAV, traffic inside, CHP 43.
Mountains out there, pretty amazing. Other side of that's Highway 395. You've got Mount Whitney out there. we've hiked that a couple times. You can see a video on my page. Hiking Mount Whitney, we've done it a couple times, my wife and I.
505. Delta, contact tower 118.2.
118.2, Bonanza 45 Delta.
If I remember right, the altitude,
Approach Cirrus 185.
the elevation of Mount Whitney is 14,505, 14,495 what it used to be. And we're just coming up on Fresno right now. Here we are right there.
Cessna 8154 Sierra, contact Bakersfield approach 118.9er.
So you can see on ForeFlight right here, there's a plane right here, 5649 Delta, and 6,100 feet underneath. It looks like he's probably going into Chandler. He should be somewhere right in here.
265 Mike Yankee, Fresno approach, take, go ahead.
So we're just over Fresno right now, actually just over the northwest part of it, just past the stadium there.
So 5373 Bravo, I did copy that about staying below 4,000.
And coming up on Clovis VOR. Well, what do you guys want to talk about? Anything? What can I tell you? This weekend I'm going to Susanville. I used to fight fire on a wildland hotshot crew. There's a couple crews in Susanville, and this one, this crew is Lassen Hotshots. It's the 45th reunion. I missed the 40th 5 years ago. Saw some pictures, and I really felt bad, like I should have attended. I don't know what. I don't know what it was that I could.
27 Victor contact, NorCal approach.
I think I'd work, something was going on, but fortunately this round, I'm attending. I grew up in Susanville, and that's obviously where I fought fire on that crew.
Skylane 735 Hotel Delta, 4,000.
Different Skylane there.
Climbed to 4,500 feet.
I grew up in Susanville and learned to fly there, so it's been a long time since I've been there, I think.
Skylane 735 Hotel Delta, Fresno approach. Altimeter 3019er, advise you climb to an odd altitude plus 500 for direction of flight.
All right, we'll be climbing 5,500, 5 Hotel Delta.
Skylane 5 Hotel Delta, roger.
It's been a long time since I've been there. I want to say some of the last flights that I ever would have done there might have been in 2000, maybe. 99, and then I...
Mach 11 Tango, contact tower.
1999, and then I flew some in 2000, and then went and moved down to Chico, California. So, kind of a neat trip to make it back there after such a long time. Okay, we're just east of Madera. There's Madera now. There's the airport. Where's my finger at? Airport's over there. Did my commercial night flight there with Adam. Great instructor.
Mach 51 Alpha, traffic 1 o'clock in the mile, slow moving, altitude indicated.
Looking for that traffic, 51 Alpha.
So that's where we are right now.
Skylane 9er, Bravo November, contact NorCal approach 120.905.
2095, 759 Bravo November, see ya. And NorCal 759 Bravo November, 8,000 level.
759 Bravo November, NorCal approach, Castle altimeter 3021.
3021, 9 Bravo November. Pretty amazing when you can be up here, we're at 8,000, well, 8,050, and you can see the snow-capped mountains over here, the Sierras, and then we've got the mountain range over here on the whole other side of the valley, which over there is the I-5. Right in here will be the Highway 99, and then on the other side of the Sierras, you've got Highway 395. But I can see this valley gets so smoggy in the summer times, the air quality just, and it sits in here. Usually sits down in Bakersfield.
NorCal approach, expect the RNAV Yankee for 28 left, Oakland altimeter 3022.
3022, 0 Victor, thanks.
So I was saying earlier, it's just fascinating that when you can see the air be so clear that you can see the mountain ranges on both sides. Of course, we're at 8,000 feet, you're going to be able to see it, but sometimes it's smoggy enough to where you can't see anything. So definitely a nice day here in the valley. All right, so let's figure out our true airspeed on here on the little dial thing. So we know the temperature over here saying it's 37, and we have pressure out, or our indicated altitude is 8,000. So pressure altitude will be 8,000 minus 280. That's 7720. Okay, so we just dialed this in, and it's kind of real tight to get the numbers in exactly.
Number 3 Tango Charlie, no faster, reasonable navigation on course.
Right here, we're about 8, let's go back, I gotta move that up a little bit, 8,000 feet. Trying to watch what I'm doing still too. So we're actually over 7720. Ooh, right in the middle. Right in there, I guess. It's really not a lot of incremental measurements in there. That's putting us at 140, just under. And then you look at our true airspeed here, so we're 143. That's pretty close. And here's what's going on here.
November 9 Bravo, November, you can expect 1000 as your final, and again, you can expect that climb in the vicinity of audio.
Sounds good, thanks for the help, and we'll expect that at audio for 9 Bravo number 11,000. So what the controller's talking about is audio means that is a fix. So we're going to get to audio right there, which is just out of Auburn. So right around in there, we're going to expect to start climbing up to 11,000. A lot of that's for clearance for us, and I don't know how far out that we'll be able to reach them, but hopefully enough. And then we'll get over the mountain pass and probably pass us off over to Reno. Oh, looking good. Oil pressure's looking pretty good. Heartbeat looks good. Probably should drink some water here, huh? Actually earlier than coffee time, like Steve-01 Knievo says. We better follow those rules too. But I do need a little water.
So now that we have it leaned out, our true airspeed is about 145 knots at about 14.5 gallons.
So we're showing, let's see here, what's our ETA from here?
We have another 48 minutes to go.
Oh yeah, you're right. Well, so we're within coffee time. We can drink our beverages. 1 hour to destination.
Cheers.
Is usually when I say we're good to go. Cheers, Mindy. Sun Fun, here we come.
And approach Skylane 759 Bravo November 9000, heading 340.
November 759 Bravo November, NorCal approach director, can proceed direct to audio and reasonable navigation and climb and maintain 10,000.
Direct audio, own nav, and we'll go up to 10,000, 9 Bravo November.
November 759 Bravo November, fly heading 010, radar vectors for terrain, climb and maintain 1000.
010 and 11,000, 9 Bravo November.
November 759 Bravo November, contact Oakland Center on 127.905. Take care.
2795, we'll see you. Thanks for help, 9 Bravo November.
Anytime, sir. Take it easy.
And November 9 Bravo November, you're now clear direct to Blue Canyon Airport, direct to Susanville Airport, and that'll keep you to the west of all my high trains.
Roger that, we're direct Blue Canyon, and then it'll be direct Susanville after that for 9 Bravo November.
I'll keep on dreaming of love tonight. Summer sun.
November 759er, November, Christian Bravo, November, contact Oakland Center on 128.8.
28.8, appreciate your help. See ya.
Anytime, see ya.
Tower 1521, contact NorCal approach 119.2.
19.2 Scott, 5821. Oakland Center, Santana 20, flight level 250.
Santana 20, Oakland Center, roger.
Susanville Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 2132 Zulu, weather, wind 090 at visibility more than 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature 12 Celsius, dew point -3 Celsius, altimeter 3026. Susanville Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 2132 Zulu, weather, wind 80 at 8, visibility more than 10.
And Susanville traffic, Skylane 759 Bravo November, 16 miles to the southeast, inbound Susanville, full stop. And Susanville traffic, Skylane 759 Bravo November, 4 miles to the southeast, inbound. We'll be making left traffic for 11 Susanville. And Susanville traffic, Skylane 759 Bravo November, midfield for left downwind 11 Susanville.
Pass is good. That's good. Undercarriage coming down. Locked and loaded. Mixture full rich. Nope, we'll hold off on the mixture. And prop. All looks good.
And Susanville traffic, Skylane 759 Bravo November, left base for 11 Susanville. And Susanville traffic, Skylane 759 Bravo November, clearly active 11 Susanville.
Made it to Susanville. 2 hours and 40 minutes. I think we made a pretty good time. Hope you guys had fun on this one. Be back out here probably tomorrow and take off maybe around 1. I don't know, we'll probably take off around 10 or 11. Thanks for flying along, and here's Susanville.
You can hear the wind. Some things never change. This is where I learned to fly. It's no different. It's probably 9 knots, but it's right down the runway. 11 and 29. So definitely walk into, I don't even know what to say. It's like going back in time, but everything's the same. It's a cool airport. Susanville Aviation Airport. Definitely a great place to learn. Had a lot of fun here. Great people, so if you ever are flying and you're coming through Susanville and you feel great folks here, Steve and Paul, they'll definitely help you out with whatever you need. And this is a plane I learned to fly in. 31565 Piper Warrior PA-28-161. There she is. A little bit glare will let you see in it, but I think my brother Brian learned to fly this one too. Oh yeah. Okay. Here's the Crown Vic. Old police car. I don't know what it is. Definitely awesome courtesy car. This bad boy fires up. Listen to that baby purr. 99,346.